Hi, my name's Yvonne and I'm an independent UK Stampin' Up demonstrator, and welcome to my channel. What I'm going to be showing you today is some of the online exclusive that Stampin' Up have got. So these products are only available to purchase online. They're not in our catalogues, and I just wanted to run through what I've received over the past week or so. These are the Shining Christmas 12 by 12 papers. So we have Christmas tree, and as you can see it's got foiling on them, and then on the reverse side we've got just a pattern background. So the colours are cherry cobbler and mossy meadow. So that's that one. Here we've got some light bulbs, and then we've got some stripes. I've been using it at the moment. I'll show you how I've been using it. Here we've got some parcels. So you've got 2 sheets of those parcels. And then on the reverse side, you've got cherry cobbler shapes or design. This is one you've already seen, so that's got the full stripes and then the lights underneath. Here we have a Harlequin effect, and then you've got baubles on the other side. Here we've got the holly, and then we've got just white spots with the cherry cobbler on the back. And finally we have the candy canes, the tiny candy canes, and then just a cherry cobbler with some red crosses on the back of that. So that is the Shining Christmas, and oops, I will show you what I've been doing with that one. So I've taken some pieces from 2 of the papers, and I've done an exploding card with a stamp in the middle. Now the stamp is actually from the Merriest Trees. Let me just grab it. So this is from the mini catalogue that we have. I'll just grab that out. So this one here, which is the September to December catalogue, and that stamp sets that one, and I've used the "We Wish You a Merry Christmas" just in the middle. So that's quite a simple card and easy to do, and I'll be giving you a demonstration of how to do that card in a later video, but I really like the design of that. Right, let's crack on. So the next one I'm going to show you is the One Horse Open Sleigh Desire Series paper. This is 6 by 6, and you've got some beautiful scenes on here. So you have this snowy scene, and then on the reverse you've got just a pattern background. So you have 4 sheets of those. Then we have this mottled effect. 4 sheets of those, and then on the reverse we have a beautiful scene of trees. I really like that. Here we have trees and a fox. Might not come out quite as good, but it's got like pale trees in the background. That's lovely. And then on reverse we've got like a wood effect. Here we've got a pattern, and then on reverse you've got another scene. These scenes are absolutely gorgeous, really pretty. And then this one here, you've got these snowy scene with the trees or the bark, and then on the reverse you've got to see which colour it'll be. Could be Misty Moonlight, and the colour with some dots. Here we've got Mossy Meadow pattern, and then you've got the lovely deer with the trees as well. Well, this is nice. Just a nice snowy scene, and then on the reverse you've got a pale wood, like a beach, washed out beech wood. Got some stripes on there, and then the reverse you've got a different view of trees looking from the top. That's quite an interesting view. Here we've got a nighttime scene. That's lovely. And then on the reverse we've got a just a pattern on there, a plain pattern. Again, we've got a pattern. It's like diamonds, and then this is the scene, trees and a little bit of foliage. Again, another snowy scene. That's really nice. And then some trees at the back. I think that's the last one. So here you've got a field scene, and then on the back you've got red. I'll just run through the colours. So we have basic black, boho blue, Cajun craze, crumb cake, early espresso, lemon lolly, lost lagoon, misty moonlight, mossy meadow, old olive, pebbled path, pecan pie, petal pink, pool party, real red, and wild wheat. So there's a nice selection of there. So that's the one horse open sleigh designer series paper, and I have the stamp set and the die set. So I've got a great idea for these papers. I'll be using I'll be doing a bridge card. I've done this in the past, and if I've got a video I will link it below so you can see what a bridge card is, and I'll be using those papers in conjunction with the horse and sleigh. So you've got a lovely horse and sleigh there, you've got some trees, and then you've got some Christmas sentiments as well. Try and keep it out of the, stop it from shining. And these are the dies. So you've got your horse and sleigh. Now I don't know whether you can see, but I've actually gone round with a pen around all the dies, because I have a habit of taking dies off these pieces of card and then I can't fit them back on again. So this time I've put some marks around so I can actually find where they actually belong. Small things, but it helps. Right, so that is that one. I'll pop that too on the ground. Now here we have some radiating stitch dies. So these are the dies. So you've got a really big frame, and then you've got some smaller ones. You've got hearts and circles. Now just to show you what this actually does, ignore the writing on there, but that's what it does. So it puts these stitches around the outside and cuts the rectangle. So I think they're really nice. Just as reference, I was doing a card with our stamp set, which is Level Complete, which has a controller pad from a console station, and I needed to know what the colours were to fill it in properly, to make it look good. So there we go, that's what that is. But as I say, the stitch dies, that's what they do. That's really nice, really like that. Right, on to the next. So here we have some 12 by 12 papers. I'm just going to whip that off. Now this one is called Traditions of Saint Nick. So 12 by 12 designer series paper. And we've got some different Santas and Saint Nicks on this page. So you've got 2 sheets of those. And then on the reverse we have a like a red damask effect. Here we have mulled wine, mulled cider, hot cocoa, and gingerbread men, persons, and candy canes. And then on the other side, again, we've got a damask effect, like a wallpaper, posh wallpaper. This one is now I think this is Pebbled Path, the colour. It's not black and white, it's a sepia type colour of post boxes and letters. And then on the reverse we have another pattern paper, which is really nice. Here we have a Christmas tree scene and window and the fireplaces, so that's nice. And on the reverse we've got green patterns again. Here we've got holly, and on the reverse we have some patterns, like feathery leaves, I can describe it as. On this one we have the stockings. Then on the reverse again we have some more patterns. So the colours in this one are Cajun Craze, Cherry Cobbler, Copper Clay, Early Espresso, Mossy Meadow, Pebbled Path, Real Red, and Wild Wheat. So they are the colours for those, and they're really nice papers. I really like those ones. Right, the next ones are some gold and silver. So as you can see, gold and silver. Just trying to get out the thing. And this is glittery paper, and it's no shed glittery paper. So as you can see, I've got no glitter on my hands. I really like this. And we've got some of this in other colours as well, but this is just the gold and silver. I'm trying not to make too much noise. And this one here is the tartan foil. So we'll go through this. Now the colours are Copper Clay, Lost Lagoon, and Pebble Path. So this will be the Copper Clay. So it's this lovely tartan, and then on the reverse we have a white with the Copper Clay. Again, it's foiled, so that's really nice. This will be the Lost Lagoon with the foiling, and then on the reverse you've got the white with the Lost Lagoon. And here is Pebbled Path. Same again, you've got the white, and this Pebble Path is become my go-to favourite colour for stamping sentiments if I don't want black. It used to be basic grey, but Pebble Path has become my favourite. So they're those ones. And I'll be looking at doing some cards with those quite soon as well. I've got a couple of ideas. And then finally, we have some more sparkle. So these are the 3-colour glimmer. So this is the Pretty Peacock. This one will be the Petal Pink. And this is the Highland Heather. So again, no shed, glitter paper. Really nice. I do like using the glitter paper that we've got. So there we go. There are the online exclusives. I'll have a link below if you'd like to have a look at them. There are other items on there, but I thought I'd bring out the ones that I've got at the moment, especially this time of year as well. And thank you very much for watching my video. Take care now. Bye bye.